Powered by Place, it's a regional intervention scheduled by Lancaster University Management School and Groundswell Innovation, our local innovation agency. We are bringing together our local ecosystem with a joint mission to regenerate our socio-economic makeup of our beautiful Lancashire. We've been inspired by the project that we have run with Groundswell for the past 3 years called the iConnect. The iConnect was born from the need of Lancaster City Council, the County Council and the University and the local stakeholders to understand the impact of the Eden project that is planned to be built in Morecambe. We realised that it's so much more powerful to work across the ecosystem as a group of stakeholders rather than trying to address all these quite complex challenges on our own. Lancaster University was established in the 60s as a civic institution. As a university, we thrive in research, education and connecting people together. And we feel that responsibility and accountability to contribute to whatever is needed in the region. So it is about bringing our skills and capabilities to the regional stakeholders so they can benefit from the expertise we have. And on the other hand, we also benefit reciprocally from the inputs of the stakeholders.
The session is all about place-based innovation today and kind of reminding ourselves of the importance of trying to make things happen on a local scale. What we're trying to do is celebrate some examples of positive impact and make sure those people feel recognised, to share those learnings to make sure that other people can take those on board and make those work in other places locally. So we get a real ripple effect from that. But we also want to share a couple of open source toolkits to get us from an ability to envision the future, which may be either a positive or a negative future, to make it particularly real to people living in the area what our future could be and help them to understand what future they want to build in their local area. But that future will be determined by the decisions and the actions we take now.
A few years ago, we developed these future scenarios that are really very close to our heart. These scenarios are plausible futures that can occur in Lancaster. And seeing this future projected in visual methods is something that we're trying to bring to local stakeholders so that the future feels a bit more tangible, but also so that we start preparing for these different scenarios. And we hope Powered by Place will inform the university with their place-based strategy, but also will help to connect stakeholders in their quest for a mission-driven future for our region. The second toolkit we are showcasing today has been developed in collaboration with Groundswell. Jane Dalton has put a lot of energy into thinking about how places and local ecosystems can innovate. What actions do we take? And today we're bringing together multiple different stakeholders who will be going through a series of activities with us to reflect on the importance of the ecosystem, the importance of the collaboration, but also the importance of feeling that sense of urgency so that together as ecosystem actors, we can really embark on this sort of mission-driven objective to achieve something significant in our region.
So we want to make it tangible and we want to build a vision, but we also want to give people the tools to go from something strategic through to an action they can take today.
I've really taken inspirations from all over the world, wherever I've travelled, and it's been fantastic for me to visit the Netherlands recently. And I've picked up this little book, I Don't Know How to Common. And this gives you an insight to a young person's mind who is really trying to figure out how can we together have a shared interest, a mission-driven objective to do something for the common good. And I think today in our intervention, the ecosystem agents, they will really be able to think together with us and learn from each other about how they refer to this concept of common, what does this mean to us, and how we can, with shared resources and shared responsibilities, really contribute to our regional socio-economic development.